Hang on. Oh, listen to her purr, baby. Oh, jeez, it's fuming in here. Gonna have to probably turn on the barn fan. Fire in the hole. Yeet, yeet. Good. Turn it off choke. Gotta turn the barn fan off choke. Close the dampers a little bit. Maybe try to get that fresh air up higher. Get that down and out of the door. It's science. It's boring. Gas powered barn fan. Mazda RX7 engine. Kind of souped up, maybe. Got a big old blower belt on her. Look at the blades on that turbo. Look at the propeller. I don't know how many millimeters that is, but it's a lot. We probably have to measure that in centimeters or cubic inches. That little diesel's putting out a lot of smoke. Little guy right there. Boop, 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 boop. My buddy Justin. He's kind of a diesel brainiac. He knows some things. Good news, bad news. Bad news. Broke off 2 wheel studs. Good news, look how low that thing is. And it has no weight on it yet. She gonna be tucked. And we're definitely gonna have to adjust that shock. It'll never clear that. I just got the rears on. Drop bracket installed. I don't know if you can tell, like, there's the old mounting right there, and then it's up all the way here. So that's a 3-inch drop. Looks like more. We'll see. I'll put her back together and show you what it looks like with tire and wheel back on it. Last one went on. About to see the damage. Pulling the jack out now. She's a little lower now. Oh my Linta. Oh my word. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh man. It's gonna be so hard to get in and out of. Slammed. Needs new tires. Don't judge me. Right there. See that? See that? Volkswagen. Yeah, baby. I love it already.